once that they've made a decision that yes, divorce is where they want to go, then you're going to need to talk to them about what their choices are. And the easiest path to take is going to be an irreconcilable differences divorce. That's what generally is referred to as a uncontested divorce. It just means that you agree that you can't agree. It's the easiest path to go down to end the marriage or to dissolve it. What we do is we basically sit the parties down and have them agree on this is how we're going to separate our stuff, our belongings. The wife will get this, the husband will get this. Well, a lot of people don't think about is that it's not just items that we have to separate. We also have to separate debt. So that's the next step in the process. Who's going to pay the Discover card bill? Who's going to pay the American Express bill? What are we going to do about the taxes? Certainly in this market, the next thing we've got to consider is what about the home? A lot of homes right now are underwater, so it may be something where we're going to put it for sale, but it might not sell right away. So these are some issues that we're having to deal with right now. But if the two parties can agree on all of those items, we have them sign a document called a marital dissolution agreement. And what that is it's just what it sounds like. It's an agreement that dissolves their marriage. It's a contract. And if they'll sign that, then if they've just got to wait 60 days. And at that point, we'll go to court, we'll sit them down, and we'll ask just one of them, the plaintiff, the moving party, some very easy questions. And after that, the marriage will be dissolved. If they have children, it's a longer waiting period of 90 days. And in addition to the marital dissolution agreement, the document that divides their items, we also enter into a permanent parenting plan, which is a document that, I hate to say divide, but it allocates visitation and spending time with the party's children.
So, and with the parenting plan, I guess, on an irreconcilable differences divorce, I mean, how detailed does that get into?
It's fairly detailed. What parties need to understand is that if you've got a 2-year-old child, no matter how good your attorney is, no plan that you make today is going to be good in 18 years or in 16 years when that child's 18. But we're going to give it our best shot to make it something that both parties can agree on. I tell people that it's a fallback position. Certainly if they can work together in the best interest of their children, then they need to do that. They need to make some amends and stray from the plan. The plan is their fallback, where if they agree that they can agree on something, then they need something concrete to go back and look at. And that's what the parenting plan does. It'll spell out where that child will be on Christmas Eve in 2020. It'll say where we're going to spend spring break, summer, what days, what times. It also gives the parents' Bill of Rights to each party, which is rights that each party have with regards to those children. Things such as access to medical records, report cards, the right to be free of unwarranted derogatory remarks in the presence of the child. It's just basically a guidebook on this is how we've agreed together that we're going to raise these children apart.